advantage of the?
Yeah, this is a new laptop. I got Android also too.
Okay.
Oh, now they're very expensive, This one only cost around 49 dirhams, but I found a cheaper one. But it is kind of big. It cost 18 dirhams.
I think everybody can listen.
Oh,
Maybe it's recording. Guys, I cannot bury it. I cannot hear it. I don't know why. My screen. All of your cameras it's showing in my screen now. Something's wrong with. Something's wrong with it.
okay, hello?
It's something wrong with your number. It's mine. Your voice is all glitchy.
Everyone, please.
It's all glitchy, right?
Farida, please.
Yeah.
Did you listen to the video?
Hi guys, I'm going to switch on my fan, guys.
Okay, Milan, can you mute for 1 second? Did you guys listen to the video? Did you understand what is a mage point?
Yeah, it's like something which you earn for good deeds.
Not only deeds, your works, timely assignment, even how you behave in class.
Even Canva works.
Even your discipline, project works. So, in a team, you can earn up to 100 coins in one team.
Now, also they do Canva looks.
Davida?
Also things as well, right?
Can you stop presenting?
Wait 1 minute. Why can I not end this thing? Okay, there you go.
Okay. So, I'm going to reshare. And I'm hoping it is visible. Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But when you're sharing, sometimes I can see very face.
Marina, can you mute? There's a lot of background noise, Marina.
Macaroni and cheese, ma'am.
Yes. So, macaroni and cheese.
Ma'am, I'll rejoin my story.
Okay, Alpha, you can rejoin. So, 180 is equal to how much? How many mage points? Who can tell me? You can raise your hand. Hurrah. Do you know?
10 coins, right?
10 coins, yes. Listen, and how many coins can you earn in a team, in one team?
Divide.
100 coins, we can earn up to 100 coins, right? So,
Yeah, ma'am.
any idea why we need, what is the use of having such? Yes, Amila.
When you play that video, my network lost. That's why I'm not in the class.
Okay. Is it fine now?
Yeah.
Okay. See, people, you need to understand what is this, okay? And right now our winter term is happening, right? And we have started the reward system. That means you will start to get mage points starting this week onwards. And max, yes, Barira.
Haya, can you mute? I'm having some behind.
Amila, can you mute? Yes, Barira.
And it's super annoying.
See, even Alpha is having some issues. Just me. Anyone has any doubt till so far? What is the system or how you can get coins? No doubts? Okay. So majorly what we are having is one, it's a motivation for all the good things that you're doing. Like you're doing your work on time, you're submitting on time, you're listening to class and responding to teachers. So it is a motivation and all the efforts that you're putting in that are easily recognized by the teachers and not only recognized, that is rewarded also. Even the principal has 10 points with her. She can also give points to you depending on how well you have performed or how much improvement is there in your works. Also, there are so many of you. It's a healthy competition, right? Davida,
Yeah.
you raise your hand.
Oh, sorry. I missed my mistake.
So, all of you will have a wallet, right? And digital currency will be given by who will give this currency to you?
The principal?
Only the principal?
Teachers.
Teachers.
Teachers, admins.
Teachers, principal.
Who's the principal?
No, principal will also go. Principal also has the coin. She will evaluate your performance from one thing to another and how much improvement you have gotten. Or if you have done something good, like for example, if you did some extracurricular activities, maybe in clubs you perform really good. Yes, Sidra.
Miss, I live in India.
Sorry?
I live in India.
That is not an issue, don't worry. That will be converted into INR. So you will get the points. Okay? That is not a problem. It will go to your wallet.
Really, we get the coin. Really, we get the coin in our hand.
Really, you will get the coin. As much coins you are making, that will be converted into currency and you will get the coin at the end.
But I need coins reason. I'm in Saudi. I'm in Saudi.
So that will be converted into dirhams and you will get it.
Ma'am, once we get the coins, what do we do with it?
That is your choice, right? What you can convert it into money, actual money, and you can buy something for yourself.
Yeah. Oh, the marriage, it turned to, it's Saudi. It turned to dirhams.
They will convert it, and at the end, okay, conversion will happen at the end, but you will get the coins after each thing. Coins you will get, and after the term,
Parcel, ma'am.
yes,
Parcel. The parcel.
I think that depends on maybe it will come to your bank, or maybe you will get an Amazon voucher. So it has not been decided, but you will get and you can buy things. That's what it is. Even if your siblings are studying, for example, Hazel's sibling Diane is studying here, right? So they can combine their coins, both of them, and they can buy something else. That is also an option.
We can buy with the money.
Sorry, Amila?
We can buy with money.
Yes,
We can buy with money.
you can buy.
Oh.
That is good, right? Yes, Varida.
Okay, so ma'am, how can we find our wallets when it says
How?
each student has own mate wallet? How do we get our mate wallet?
It is like a
See,
digital. For each one of you, there is one digital wallet. Okay, that is. Let's imagine it's with the teacher, and based on how you behave, teachers will put points into it. Okay, and you will know how much points you are getting. So in one team, you can make up to 100 points. You can make depending on you.
oh, but how can we make it?
That is a very good question, Amila. So each student has their niche wallet and points will be put into your niche wallet through your achievements. That depends on you. Like if you perform really well, we are conducting small quizzes, we are conducting worksheets, right? If your scores are really good and that is one way. Each thing you have project, right? One project is there for each thing. If your project is the best in your class, you will get the point. Then
Okay.
all your teachers have
Any celebrations.
celebrations and you're performing really well. Teachers can give you points.
Okay.
Then, for example, let's imagine, okay, Bharia is into karate and she participated outside for competition. She can inform that to the admin. So extracurricular activities will get you points. Then from
Actually, I this is can see right?
so that is a good way to get right. So basically it depends on achievement. See, team project has 10 points. That is individual. One person can get up to 10 points. Team test, sorry. Team project has 20 points.
Ma'am, Amila has a pink phone, a rainbow one in her hand. I just saw it.
It's okay. Very well. Let's focus. This is important. So if it is a shared group project, then the points will be shared. If you are individually doing it, for example, Ishan is individually doing the project and he did the best project. He can get all the 20 points. Yes, Ihan.
This class is which English?
Sorry?
This class is English.
This process is?
English?
This depends on all the subject. This is subject wise. All the teachers have it.
I think, ma'am, he was asking if the English class has started.
Ah, no. Kind of yes, right? Just give it 2 more minutes. Okay? Ma'am, is this your class?
No.
I think it is Aisha ma'am's
This
class.
is English class?
This is English class, yes. As soon as we complete this, you can start, okay? Yes, Milan.
Ma'am, I cannot hear what are you saying. Your voices are glitchy. Everybody's voice is glitchy.
Everyone's voice is glitching. Do one thing, can you rejoin? Try
Okay,
rejoining.
ma'am.
Okay. So just I'll complete this and we'll discuss, okay? So assignments have 10 points. Behavior, your discipline in class have 10 points. How active you are participating. I can see many of you are not active right now. So even your participation in classroom has 10 points. Then extracurricular has 10 points. This is how you will get the points. Any doubts so far? Is it okay? Any further doubt you can ask me tomorrow during assembly. Sounds good? Okay people, thank you so much. Ma'am will join, okay? Thank you, bye bye. And please,
Okay, bye.
bye bye.
Wait, class 9.